Yes, my people. We don't come again today. Nana begin a day. When they hear his voice, this is voice of Biafra. Today, another special day for our broadcast. Because of waiting they happen for our land, for everywhere, and why we say make we do this program. Today on our religion, I know so many of you know they like here around. They very good. They provoke when you hear anything about religion, but today not religion we want to talk about today. The question is your religion other people's nationalism? Is it your own or other people's nationalism? Where they practice, where you believe saying that your own. Waiting be that thing will make you say this religion not my own. Your religion is they defend your own people, or on the outsiders is they defend. Where your allegiance today, where your loyalty today. Now for your own people or now for other people. What do they call your religion where they proud today? Say this one is my only religion. Who in they protect? Your people or outsiders? Because you get what happened last week. 4 nations. Catholic and Anglican church, they fight over land. The Reverend Fathers on the Catholic side, the pastors on the Anglican side, all of them just they quarrel over land. When I see that video, shame catch me. I say, which kind of one be this one? We Anglican brothers and sisters, because of religion, because of different churches, they fight. They lie against each other. This one say the land our own. This one say the land our own. I see that video, I won't cry. The same thing way they happen for our struggle, for Biafra struggle. This one did this church, this one did this religion, this one say now we go. Now why we say make we do this, make all of us begin think, make we even interrogate our religion. Your religion now your own nationalism or other people's nationalism where they promote for your religion. If they ask you to draw how your God will look like and the angel, it will look like you. Okay, maybe we even leave you as an adult. Carry pen or pencil, give your children, say make they draw God. See how God will look like. Now that time you go know what thing you don't plant into those children. If you from the school teacher, give this thing an assignment, say make people, children draw God, make them draw angel. If you pastor, come one day, say everybody draw angel, draw God. Now try them again, say make them draw Satan. You go see, say, Satan is more likely to look like them than God and angels. Now that time you go know whether you are participating in your own people's nationalism or other people's nationalism. Waiting be the name where they call your God. Waiting be the name where they call your angel, the creator will create you. Now your language, from your language or other foreign language, they use to address your creator. Now that you go know waiting you to participate in saving your own people or protecting other people's nationalism. Waiting be names of the patriarchs and the matriarchs in their religion. I mean the mama them, the papa them, where they that your book, where they read in your holy book. They behave like your people, they carry your people name, waiting they be. Even your authority, they where they for authority in your own religion. How then they dress? Then they dress like your people or foreigners, or people of the Roman Empire, or people of a 17th century English soldiers. Now how did they dress? Who are the defenders of your faith? Who are the saints of your faith? The saints now your people or other people, foreigners. Now these things you go put together, begin to know where you dey. Are you fighting for your people or against your people? So now this thing we say we go begin do today. The story where they your book, now story about your people or foreigners. If you talk about that book, your holy book, now your own people's story or other people's story where they promote. So now this thing we say because of make you no go kill yourself because of other people nationalism. Because some of the things where we they see today as religion, not other people nationalism where they be. Even if you go to the Muslim side, the name Muhammad don't date there before Islam. So some people they convert to Islam, say they don't become Muhammad. No, Muhammad na Arab. Na Arab name. No get anything to do with Islam. So it means that even that religion, Islam, na Arab nationalism. What is the most populous Christian group in Nigeria? Roman Catholic Church. It's not Igbo Church, not Mbise Church or Mbano Church, but Roman Catholic Church. Waiting that one they tell you. Waiting they tell you inside that place where you did. You know, say in those days, the word day for theocracy, where we say now high priest to them, the bishop, the pope, them, now them the governors of their different areas. So everything they put together in these religions, now to control the people, where then they go, then they rule. So now that thing they use colonize other people. So other people where they don't colonize, come now abandon their own, come follow this thing. If you even go down to the problem where they for Christianity, when Martin Luther start the problem, they say na revolution. That's one independent struggle. Now German nationalism where Martin Luther been they promote that thing. But history can't turn and say na reformation, you know they do well. No. Now German nationalism where him they pursue. But he get to pursue and through religion because now waiting they did that and theocracy where they did. Before you they know, England they don't begin the struggle to say they won't go their own independent. They don't want to they under Pope, under Rome. Then do start their own, call a Church of England. But for history they say King Henry VIII won't marry second wife. Because of that, Pope not agree. Now he start his own lie. All those things are just to fool people. The man wanted English people to be independent. And he go start his own. If not to get babes. Henry VIII get many babes, many women when in the roller. Not be only what's that woman's name. I don't even remember the wife where they go. I think Catherine. Not be only Catherine when they go out with. He get many babes. So all these things where we carry food our land today, saying that waiting will save us. Is it really saving our land? So when you go to that their religion, everything where you do there, either help our people or they help foreigners. Because I don't know how two people will be from the same ethnic group because of church go they fight over land. Go to court where they our land. Now this church versus this church versus this church. Now what you go see for high court, magistrate court, na case, Igbo versus Igbo fighting. When we they fight among ourselves, how we go fit unite, get independence, get BIAFRA? How? Because people where they united and organized, now them they rule over people where know they united and where they disorganized. And now why one of the reasons where carry me say this particular thing, say I go do them today. If you they go pilgrimage, where you they go? Now other way you go know so whether you they participate in your own nationalism or other people are promoting other people's nationalism. Where you they go? Because I've been read one document where one British historian write 17 something where he write down. He said in Igbo land, he get places where they go on pilgrimage. He name Arochukwu, he name one place around Okigwe, he names Eri. He name another place for I think Echie Aziz. Around the more Aziz in Ikwere land. I think that the headquarters of Amadion, so people they go to pilgrimage. All these places were in them, they for our land. Today, where you they go pilgrimage? Where do you take our hard-earned money to go pilgrimage? Now within Igbo land, or you they carry and go Rome, or Jerusalem. Our money could move up. Where you are leaders of these churches, they go meeting. Nalamba conference, or they go Vatican with the small money where we get. So think about nationalism because anything where you they do, culture, religion, tradition, all these things they like clothes where they wear. If you want buy clothes, you go buy the one where suit your body. If somebody dash you clothes, if you be slim person, somebody dash you big clothes, way too big. Either you go reject them or you go cut them to size, make it suit you. Now so all this religion they. Russia gets Christianity. What did Russia do? Russia go repackage them to use Christianity as their nationalist movement. They formed their own church called a Russian Orthodox Church. Russian Orthodox, write their own story. Say the founder of their church, Saint Andre. If you know like get your business, they write their own story, they package them. Make and Russian. All the names we see for Bible, they change. If you see, now they will say now Saint Andre, the brother of Saint Peter. They don't go call him Andrew, they don't go call him Peter. No. They make a Russian. Get their own. Even for London, if you see their church for Night Bridge, Russian Orthodox Church, if you enter there, they no send for you. Unapologetically Russian. They no send, they no one make you laugh. They just they are very serious, worship, do everything what they do. Even their mode of dressing. The religious leaders, the people where they preach for all of them, that Russian style of dressing. They're package, make their own. As when I do Christmas, Russia they do their own for January. To suit their date, make they no follow Pope way or Bishop of Canterbury way. No. They form their own Easter day. Everything about them they different. And they repackage their story. If you argue with them, they say no, their own, they right, no be your own. Say now you copy from them. And if you know like and leave them, they don't use the Christianity promote their nationalism. Church of England is English nationalism. They have symbol. Even Russia, their own cross get 3 bars. Their cross get 3 bars. Because they owe the meaning of symbols also. Church of England, English nationalism. That Anglican church where they your village there. The head of that Anglican church, no be Jesus, na Queen of England. So everything you are doing in Anglican church is to protect English and promote English nationalism. No way, no, not. Anything you are doing in Roman Catholic Church is to preserve and protect Roman nationalism, which is European Union. There's no two ways about it. We cannot turn our land into football club of Christianity. I not to say it because before I begin accuse me, but I say any religion will not promote our own independence. We no promote our nationalism. We no say Igbo first. That religion is not for us. We can repackage our own Christianity, put Igbo in the front. You can't have a religion where you say, if you curse the Israelites, you are cursed. If you bless them, you are blessed. Why can't we replace it? If you bless the Igbo, you are blessed. If you curse the Igbo, you are cursed. That is Igbo nationalism. When our ancestors come out Kola North, say, Kola North, no, they speak any language except if that's the height of nationalism. Now people will get sense. So if Germans won't practice our own, they could use Igbo, bless the Kola North. Not be say we dey inside church, can't they speak Latin, can't they speak name, can't they call our God names when we don't even know the meaning. We say we do. We say I got up on. We can't survive with this kind of thing. Football. You will turn our land to football field. Catholic Church pass to Anglican, Anglican pass to Methodist, Methodist pass to Cherubim, Cherubim pass to Assemblies, Assemblies pass to Deeper Life, Deeper Life pass to Redeem, Redeem pass to Winners, Winners pass to Mountain of Fire, Mountain of Fire dribble, ball one come out. Judaism trapper. So the new madness now, not even Judaism. You wake up in the morning, see your mama, my bolage, shalom. You come out, make you go market, see your uncle for road. Uncle Kedu, nah, shalom. For night, you won't greet your friends before you go sleep. Kashifo, Kennedy, shalom, Kennedy, shalom, what is the meaning? Peace be unto you. What is the meaning? Without the reggae. If nothing, why can't you be telling people without the reggae? Don't you know the meaning of colonization? Language is one of the most important tools. We just hear ourselves. You can't have that mentality and get a Biafra. If you use that mentality where other people, religion, nationalism, get Biafra, Biafra will still be like other African countries when they move forward. Because the freedom, now here first, mental freedom. Everybody, they package their religion. Why is it that Islam is working in United Arab Emirates? It's working in Qatar, but it's not working in Islamic Northern Nigeria. Because somebody give you clothes where no size you, throw away the clothes. Or cut and make it size you. Repackage them. If you go to Indonesia and Malaysia, their own Islam they different from the one where they Saudi Arabia. They get to reform and make it suit them. Because one woman, I can't remember her name, the book woman will write Yurungo, Mariamada Ane or something like that. He said this, that the society is like the body. So that this body has to be protected from virus. And the culture is the antibodies. If you allow your culture to be destroyed, you've destroyed the antibody. So all the virus will hit you. In this country, Christians, they celebrate Halloween. Then they do Halloween party inside church. Halloween is part of their tradition. So what you call Christianity is other people's omenala tradition. What happened to your own omenala? Why have you thrown it away? Christians in United Kingdom celebrate Halloween in the church. But you, a Christian, the same Christian, will carry Christianity from England, can't give you for Igbo land. You say New Year Festival, na evil. Ebe, na evil. Igbo, na evil. All the tribes. I don't talk about all of them, they're perfect. No. You go discard ones when know the work. Replace and one. When and that good news or bad news where they come, they say, they don't write Bible. New Bible, they come out. The Quakers are writing Bible. Churches don't give a woman called J.K. Rowling the contract to write a new Bible. So in next 20 years, the Bible where they use today, the edition, they go face them out. And you know go notice them. Now graduate, even your libraries, they go carry Bible for sheep, come to Africa. They dash us Bible. Oyibo, they dash you something. Why can't they carry that same sheep, bring solar energy and solar lamps? Come dash people where they villages where no get electricity. You get one man where they call you check them now. You get one where they call Robert Green, I think, where say there is no free lunch, nothing like free lunch. Oyibo, they bring Bible, they dash us, we they jump up, they dash us. Even if they won't give us Bible, make them give some printers contract for our or for nation of our. Make printers so that they will create employment for our land. Eh? We know that a lot of people they fool us. I say we they do BIAFRA, but we still know the meaning of freedom. Go to Germany and see nationalism. We must have pride in our own. You understand? No be other people own. Repackage whatever they give you to suit your own people. That dress where somebody dash you, if you throw one, either you throw one or you sew and make it suit your body. If you go to Scotland, they get their own church. Church of Scotland. Their symbol, their clothes, everything, they're different. They repackage them. Even the names, if you go to the church, you go see picture of one of their ancestors. They say that the founder of the church. You get to repackage story because most of these stories, none of them be historical fact. Now me, you repackage them to suit your people. We know they are just they fight, brother. They fight over church. They fight over, and at the same time we say, go to Ireland. Now we didn't finish Ireland. What other people they do nationalism? Ireland just they follow church. This one say they be Catholic. This one say they Protestants. They slaughter themselves. Even if carry the madness enter football, Rangers na this church, Celtic na this church, then they kill themselves. And that is why they were still slaves until lately. Because if you take up other people's religion, you are going to be subservient to those people. That is why if you go to Russia, all the pilgrimage centers they Russia. You know if you see Russian Orthodox church members say they go Jerusalem and they go Rome. Then they do that kind of thing. So now here we go really end them today. Because I know say this program, you know go really like it. Many of them don't go like it. Because some of them they call, they shout, leave the religion. We can't leave religion now. Religion is part of politics. Religion is itself is politics. Religion is business. As people they keep, in fact, as we dare now Africans be arguably the only people, the only products where still there for market, religious market. As people they open shop, they sell tomato. This one they sell pepper. This one they sell onions. Now so many churches there now. This one they sell this. You be product. Onions no go they argue with seller. See, no one follow the other person. No, buyer come, they give you. Now, why we fight the so-called Roman Catholic Church, Anglican Church, go and read history of Biafra. These two institutions never supported Biafra. Forget about the Irish Reverend Fathers who come on their own. I mean Catholic as an institution, Anglican as an institution. Maybe the next time we will talk about diplomacy, we will talk about this thing. We go support our own. All these churches wait for our land. All these Pentecostal churches wait for our land. When will be our people get them? Go and check whether they get any investment. You never tell where one of them go build one big bridge for Lagos. I know talks is there bad. But all the money we don't collect from Igbo people, our land, the entire Biafra from Igbo land to Edo, and you know fit build bridge for us. All of them get university. Which of them don't build university? They build them for their own zone, their own area, because they understand the politics. They understand the politics. They build them for their own area, they don't build them for our own area. But if you talk Igbo man, go say, hey, na God, they worship, then you don't concern us, whether they build them here and still God. No, this is the game, this is politics, this is business. You must ask questions where they put your money. If we praise they put your money, no go benefit your people. No put your money there. No put your money there if you no go benefit your people. Look at Ogun State. All the churches there, they are headquarters of the churches. But ask yourself, why APC, that is arguably an Islamic party, now they control that state? Ask yourself, that means some of your general overseers, they play games with you. If you want to go visit Buhari, they are bully, talk and say some of us no go support you openly. It means say the person they support them. Now what the man talk? Well, some of us will not support you openly. We are praying for you. Yeah, general overseer. So they slaughter our people in the name of Operation Python Dance. 1, 2, 3. These people keep quiet. They no talk. All this marginalization, you will get 5 states. These people, one of these general overseer, which of them don't open mouth, condemn that kind of injustice. Not waiting Samuel and Elijah them been they do for the Bible. Ndibo, wake up. Muranya de Gazo. Muranya de Gazo. Open your eyes, no blink. You see as fish, they open eye like this, open your eyes. This thing is getting out of hand. Make one know 2 verse for some of our brothers and sisters who know carry religion put for your head. You know, make we know 2 verse. You can still call us. Everything there for our this thing. Call us. Also share this message, you, because you get people who no one make you hear the message. Share the message, share them. For go to our YouTube page, Facebook page, and Twitter, all the social media pages. We there. Go there, share this message, make you reach other people. Send questions. In fact, the next program we could do answer your question because we know so many questions go there. People will go call us, we go answer. So make we end here. Make we end here. It is well with you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
Ebeka unosi Biafra. Ebeka unosi Biafra. Gama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Agama vapu Biafra. Gawe bozo gabibi. Biafra gade.